Hello everyone. So in this lecture we're going to be doing the two last topics of this particular chapter, that is principle of inheritance and variation. So today we are going to do some genetic disease. Okay, so genetic disorders genetic disorders. But before that, I just wanted to uh, give you an example of genetic disease. So I can say that we have genetic disorders. Okay, so genetic disorders. In genetic disorders, we have two types of genetic disorders. The first one is the Mendelian disorder. Mendelian disorder. The first one is Mendelian disorder. Okay. Within genetic disorders, we have first one is Mendelian disorder. Okay, so Mendelian disorders are those who follows Mendel's laws. Okay, Mendelian disorders follow Mendel's laws. The Mendel की laws जो law of dominance जो follow चाहिए कि नजर चला Mendelian disorder लगी थे. So in fact all the genetic disorders are Mendelian disorders except the chromosomal disorders. Okay, so दिन आला जो first one we're going to be learning about autosome linked recessive disease. Autosome linked recessive disease. Now autosome linked recessive disease we have many examples. The first one is sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. Okay, and then the second example is your phenylketonuria. You give me example case one. Phenylketonuria. Okay, phenylketonuria. Okay, so sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, and then we have sex-linked recessive disease. Disorder. Okay. Now in sex-linked recessive disease, we have two examples. The first one is hemophilia. Hemophilia, it is also called Christmas disease. Okay, hemophilia are nickname dictation, doctors and scientists. It is called Christmas disease. And then the second example of sex-linked recessive disease is your color blindness. Okay, color blindness in which the cone cells are affected. You know cone cells now? Cone cells are present in the retina of our eye. Okay, cone cells are affected. Then C nala, we have autosome linked. Okay, we have autosome linked. Autosome linked dominant disease. Okay, I want to so sure, then I will describe everything one by one. Autosome linked dominant disease. You just need to know the examples. That is your Huntington's chorea. First disease is Huntington's chorea. And the second example is myotonic Huntington's chorea and myotonic dystrophy. Huntington's chorea and then myotonic dystrophy. Okay, myotonic dystrophy is it's a muscular disorder, no? Muscular disorder in which the muscle cells, muscle fibers of our body are affected. What's this one? Myotonic dystrophy. And sex-linked dominant disease, but in this particular chapter we're going to be talking about only these three types of Mendelian disorders. Okay, types that is autosomal-linked recessive disease, very important. Sex-linked recessive disease, very important. And the C1, autosomal-linked dominant disease, which is not that much important, but examples are quite often asked for 1 marks. So example that is Huntington's chorea and myotonic dystrophy. Example Huntington's chorea and then myotonic dystrophy. It is related with muscles. Also muscular dystrophy. Okay. Now if you go in detail, okay. So sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. Okay, so sickle cell anemia. Okay, first one, sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia. So whenever you study about a disease, okay, BSc MBBS nursing whenever you study about disease, you have to know about mainly 3 things. First, the nature of the disease, means meaning, and then how it is caused, the reason, the cause of the disease, and then the cure, or you can say what are the symptoms. So mainly, so in the disease, first of all, what you have to know that how it is caused. Okay, so how it is caused. So sickle cell anemia as well. So it is a disease. It is a disorder. Mendelian disorder. Mendelian disorder. Mendelian 2 is a Mendelian disorder in which glutamic acid, in which the glutamic acid okay. So it is a Mendelian disorder in which glutamic acid is replaced by valine at the sixth position of the hemoglobin chain. Okay, at the 6th position of the hemoglobin chain. So it is a disorder in which the glutamic acid is replaced by valine at the 6th position of the beta globin chain. Beta globin chain. beta globin chain of the hemoglobin. Okay, we know that hemoglobin is a tertiary protein. Tertiary structure protein. Hemoglobin structure खंडे इरेगा. इसे दी hemoglobin इना protein की subunit sheet नियम को coils में दे दिया है. Okay, alpha ni beta ni. Okay, now protein की chain beta की sixth position ला. Okay, इसे दी protein की chain है ना. First position, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth position. Sixth position ला GLU sub खल्ले दो बोले VAL ले. Okay, glutamic acid sub खल्ले दो बोले valine ले दो. Okay, now glutamic acid and valine खल्ले they are amino acids. Okay, these are nothing but amino acids. इधर शेंगे आप amino acids which are the monomers of protein in our body or any organism. Amino acids जो सब लोग फंसे होते हैं. जितना कि amino acid type फंसे होते हैं निश्चय होते हैं so far. So amino acid, glutamic acid सब खंडे दो होते हैं valine ले दो. So valine दी खंडे दी होते हैं दी उनसे next chapter ले जाएंगे. They are the खंडे transcription ना translation through the छाकी होते हैं. Okay, and the main reason is it is caused due to point mutation. Due to point mutation. It is an example of point mutation. Point mutation. What is point mutation? And give an example of point mutation. Now point mutation next chapter detail point mutation is a type of mutation. Mutation means any genetic change which is brought by substitution or change in one base pair. DNA na base pair base pair chiki base pair chiki the protein law form such that in this case and culture point mutation okay, and this is how now as a result okay, as a result normal RBC bioconcave. Okay, they are bioconcave. Concave means curve inverse. Curve inverse. That's why bioconcave. Bioconcave is also the O2 efficiency way higher. O2 hearing efficiency. You have that we see effect China and sickle dose shape sickle dose shape RBC shape sickle dose, and then they become sickle shape. Okay, sickle shape okay, then hemoglobin represent HbA form represent a healthy hemoglobin. That sickle cell hemoglobin represent HbST form represent. And in fact, this is the allele. Okay, in fact, we can say this is the allele of the pure hemoglobin, or you can say healthy hemoglobin, and HbS represents the what do you call that, allele of the affected hemoglobin. Okay, sickle cell anemia mostly definition and course and it's an example of point mutation. Point mutation that's it. Now the next one is your finale. Now phenylketonuria, it is a Mendelian disorder. Mendelian disorder caused when there is absence of an enzyme which converts phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is also an amino acid. Phenylalanine into tyrosine. Okay. As a result, phenylalanine gets converted into pyruvic acid, which is a 3-carbon acid. Okay, 3-carbon organic acid. Now, this disease is correct. Cause when there is an absence of an enzyme, okay, enzyme is giving okay, enzyme that enzyme usually converts phenylalanine into tyrosine. Okay, but the enzyme may be kinky once the phenylalanine the khayla conversion to pyruvic acid nala conversion. Okay, now pyruvic acid nala this sickle cell anemia की symptoms दिखेला है low oxygen transfer दी can की खर्चा टूरे sickle cell anemia नाला उनको दा anemia सिक दिवजो टाइम दे anemia so उनको दा weakness चाहिए. Okay, the patient will suffer weakness ये how होता है ना. ता बिना की बंदे नाला symptoms खरीद दे. Now pyruvic acid forms as decays नाला. Pyruvic acid gets accumulated in the brain of the patient. Brain नाला accumulates छरूरे. Due to which mental retardation. Okay, this is pleiotropi gain subs. Okay, it is an example of pleiotropi. Okay, pleiotropic example is mental retardation. Okay, mental retardation skin pigmentation and hair loss. Okay, these are the certain symptoms of phenylketonuria. Now, the autosomal linked recessive disease. Autosomal linked recessive disease because allele debut okay, for example sickle cell anemia nala HBA in a pure allele, HBS and affected allele. Now HBA, HBS in a heterozygous condition. In a heterozygous condition, the phenotypic effect the symptoms but this acts as a carrier. Okay, so autosomal linked recessive disease, the disease will be shown, or you can see the symptoms will be shown. Phenotypic symptoms will be shown only when there is a pure condition, pure homozygous condition. HBS decondition HBS decondition HBS decondition only then phenotypic effect otherwise HBS heterozygous condition this acts as a carrier. But sex link that gene is present in sex chromosome. Okay, and here the sex linked chromosomes are called X-linked chromosomes because mainly we are talking about the disease whose gene is present on the X sex chromosome. X chromosome okay, so after that we have hemophilia. Okay, the dingo like you can't follow this. Autosomal recessive disease nana. Example check house. Okay, one example is that is thalassemia. Thalassemia. Yeah, what's it? Thalassemia. It is also an autosomal linked recessive disease. Now thalassemia is now thalassemia is a blood disorder, just like sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia is okay, thalassemia. Okay, thalassemia is just like sickle cell anemia, but it's a quantitative problem. Affect RBC. Okay, just like sickle cell anemia, in a B case RBC give number reduced. It will reduce the number of RBC. RBC give number reduced. Okay, it is caused by mutation. Mutation caused by mutation in the gene. Mutation in the gene. Mutation means base pair change. Mutation in the gene of alpha and beta globin chains. Okay. 100% mutation in the gene which codes for alpha and beta globin chains of the hemoglobin. Okay, hemoglobin now ये protein chain जो code है gene दिजुला किसी mutation है ना ये cause है. But thalassemia is a quantitative problem. यहाँ कुछ है. But sickle cell anemia is a qualitative problem. Okay, qualitative. It's a qualitative problem. Sickle cell anemia nala RBC की number दे reduce चीज मारे but quality दे दो तांशी दे. ये nala number reduce चीज but the quality remains same but both of them causes anemia. कुछ अच्छा है. Because RBC is the oxygen carrier. RBC is the oxygen carrier and dila क्यों छना oxygen carry या कुछ है में oxygen carry या को मचना अनि हुन्छ र respiration या कुछ थु मारे due to which there is no ATP production. Low ATP production due to which they will suffer from weakness. What's this one? Like you see, next case we have sex-linked disorder, recessive disorder, X-linked disorder you can say X-linked or sex-linked X-linked. Okay, there X-linked. X-linked recessive. So first example hemophilia. Okay, hemophilia, which is also called Christmas disease. Christmas disease. Okay, and hemophilia, it is an X-linked disorder and it is caused by absence of clotting factor. Absence of clotting factor. मतलब सेटा चुच्ची नाला clotting की mechanism जान होते हैं. दिनाला factor चुनी वो लोग कहने बा. पर दिनाला clotting factor किसी clotting factor number 9 मात्रा में यानी ये होता है बच्चे के वाले hemophilia caused by absence of clotting factor number 9. Clotting factor number 9 may be taken. But clotting factor number 9 doesn't matter. The reason is because the gene is mutated. Gene mutate. Okay. So hemophilia is a sex-linked or X-linked recessive disorder. So then I can example suppose this is your mother. Father this The disease someone X-linked rela se. So X-linked rela na their gene is present on X chromosome, so allele also X की form na present chigre. Okay, X female and also XX, which is crossed with male, that is XY. Causes what? Whenever we talk about X-linked and sex-linked disorder, also the sex chromosome की थोड़ी allele share. फिर ना hemoglobin का के जो स्थिति होती है HP की थोड़ी share ना. Causes what? Now X chipu ina the correct healthy unaffected. The X gonna gi H shana. Suppose the X the correct healthy the X allele the affected rate. Affected means female the affected rate. Mare, because since this is a X-linked recessive, X the double the X the recessive rate. That's why this XXH act as a carrier. Inaya male की case ना किसी XH tick ना tick यो आसम की male की कसर दूरे affected से दूरे. Okay, इनके तो क्या भैया बोले XH is recessive to X. Okay, X la power is recessive to XH, but XH is dominant over Y. दी बोल सोचा affected. क्यों से दी इतनी hemophilia is mostly affected, or you can say hemophilia is mostly seen in males. Okay, rarely seen in females. Mostly in males, rarely in females. This goes by share. You say this. So, okay. The daily cross china. Gamete cross to the X gamete chicks to the X H gamete chicks to the also gamete cross to male, X gamete chick, Y gamete chicks to the what's your stop? Cross chisha. We cross delo direct cross chi. We are not using net square here. Tata dela is XX, okay, unaffected female, and then XY, sorry. Now XY unaffected male, and then XHX carrier female. This is your carrier female, and then you have XHY. This becomes affected male, which is what we call it unaffected. Un means unaffected. This is your carrier, and this is your affected one. So, female affect when the mother is affected and okay. Female ya nazar nagide khati nagide sena this one. The XH. So kya kada so XXH the unmare. This is your carrier. And then XXH. The female the carrier this female itself is affected. Okay, female the affected. The XXY the male the unaffected che and the takar. Nika male the female nika affected che. Female tada new affected che. Okay, so in order to affect a female child, the mother should be at least a carrier and the father should be affected. The goes what here. Our carrier in a father unaffected in a wall male nazar naniching is twins, female nazar naniching. Okay, so the goes what here. Okay, this is your hemophilia. What's this way? Okay. Now, hemophilia goes to the color blindness and disregulation. Same meaning. Okay. Same way, Rodam X plus C gacha. Okay, hemophilia nana H, color blindness nana X C. Sorry, crossed with this is your female mother. The father che there are X Y shana. That is female the carrier che father unaffected na. Gamete X to the X C to the. And then there are X gamete and Y. So The cross chi. Okay, now cross चिन्ह क्या होता है? X X लगे, X Y लगे. Now X लगे, and then XC Y lगे. Now here you can see female unaffected, male unaffected, unaffected female. There are unaffected male. Okay, there are unaffected male. Now there are carrier female, and then XCY लाना गलत है कि affected male लाना है. So you can see female carriage mashita masa, male affect chaste. So this is how you solve, or you can say draw the inheritance pattern for color blindness and hemophilia, which are sex-linked recessive disease. कुछ इसमें Okay, so I will end the video right now, and in the next video we will be doing the last topic of this chapter, that is chromosomal disorders. Till then, study hard, stay healthy, and goodbye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.